3, 2, 1. Yo, what is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Nesto, and I'm back at it again with another video. And today I'm gonna be working on my rear diffuser, and I hope you guys enjoy this content. And if you do, make sure to give it a thumbs up by the end of this video. And let's get this day started. Yay! So I'll be doing some voiceover for this part. I'm just marking my line where to cut the edges. These just to smooth the edges. So this is how it's sitting right now. This one is more plush than this side, but that should be fine though, because he's gonna get covered anyways. Here I'm just measuring where the pins are gonna be mounted. I decided to change the looks or the design of the fins because I thought it was sticking out a little way too much, so I had to make it smaller. As you guys can see, the fins that goes on the inside fits perfectly, but I had to make an adjustment for the one that goes on the outside, because if you guys can see the shape of the trimming, it curves in. change the speed to control where it's cutting. Because earlier I was having a hard time. What is up, guys? So it's the next day and I forgot that I ran out of this corner braces, and I got this a long time ago and I didn't think that I would be using them for the rear diffuser, so I'm about to head to Home Depot and grab some more, so stay tuned. Alright guys, I'm back at the house and I got some of the stuff that I need. I also got a extension cord. So yeah, let's get this day started. Alright, let's start the cutting. There you go. Have a look. There you guys have it. Yeah. On this part, I'm just measuring where to drill the hole to mount the rear diffuser, and do the same thing on the other side. This hole that I'm drilling right here is gonna be for my center bracket, and I'm gonna be adding another two later on. Get back to the default, but it's still doing the same thing. That's what I told him, just wait. That shouldn't be a problem. Sure. So for this part, I'm just tightening all the bolts and nuts, making sure that everything's on the right place. Check it out, guys. Oh damn. Holy shit. Look at that. I know it looks crap right now, but I'm still gonna sand this down and paint it so it looks a little bit better. What do you guys think? Okay, so gonna put it on right now. Put a nut first, the dunk it. Yeah. There you go. Nice. Oh shit. Damn. Yo. Wait, not even flush yet. I still gotta tighten those brackets in the back.
Damn, it looks good. Holy shit. It looks legit. Damn.
It looks pretty good, it's not straight yet.
Yeah. Oh yeah, there's no bolt in the back, right? Oh, the middle, right?
The middle. Just I just need to drill a hole right here so I can lift this up.
Nice. It looks good already, but once you add the sides.
So this is a bracket to hold the frame from the back so the frame doesn't shake. And I forgot to show this. I already drilled a hole right there. That's for my bracket. From in here, let me show you guys. Right here. So yeah. And now I'm gonna put the screws in.
You should put rubber on those.
You like my hair? Gee, thanks. Just about it. Oh, good. So I'm gonna just do the same thing on the other side. What's up, guys? So right now I'm doing a test run. I can hear any weird noises, but so far I don't hear anything. So a good thing. Shit.
That's two's done. Oh, almost done with the diffuser. Man, look at that. Damn.
We're here for the multi side.
Check it out, check it out. That's the piece, the missing piece.
And I'm out of the ABC plastic, so I might do that next week. But for now, I think it looks good already.
Yeah, it looks good. Just how it sits. Look at that. But yeah, the extra piece is gonna make it way better.
It's pretty stable.
Nice, nice. Looks crazy. Look at that. Oh, damn. Looks legit. Yeah.
Yo, so I guess that's it for this video, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know what you guys think, and I'll see you guys next time.